This is important because yesterday that boy again went to Holy Mission School where he was dealt by principal or director in English, and he was called again today to see the syllabus of 1 to 5, because the director and principal together offered that boy, if you want to join my school you will have to teach up to 1 to 5. If you want to teach SST, if you want to teach mathematics, English, you will have to teach all the subjects from class 1 to 5. But before teaching me, before being me the part of this institute, you must know about the syllabus. What is syllabus? Are you able to teach or not? You have to see the syllabus, thereafter you have to decide. And if you are capable of teaching here, then we will decide that what salary I would offer to you. Okay. So today, if you have command on English, you are not unemployed, you are employed. Suppose from our society, your brothers and sisters are educated, but they are zero in English. They do not know how to speak English. They do not know how to read English. They do not know how to understand the passage, the sentences which have been written in any book. How can he or she teach in a private school? So from my family members, there are many boys and girls who are studying. They are pursuing their graduation. They are pursuing their 10+2. But if they get some problem from their family sides, I think that they will have to face a lot of problem. But I have seen many of them are going to work as laborer, but they are not going to teach in a school. They are not joining any home tuition. There was a boy who has started a coaching beside me. He also joined our school. He was paying about 7,000 per month. If he is getting from a school 7,000, those students who teach a school, definitely he also teach home tuition. If he goes to 2 home tuition and 1 home tuition provides at least 1,500 rupees, it means he gets every month 3,000 rupees from private home tuition. 3,000 plus 7,000 equal to what? 10,000 rupees. If from one family there are two brothers and two sisters, if one brother or one person gets 10,000 rupees per month, it means 4 person gets how much? 10 into 4 is equal to 40,000. If all together brothers and sisters are getting 40,000 rupees per month, and if parents are getting 20,000 rupees per month, 40,000 plus 20,000 is equal to what? 60,000 rupees. 60,000 rupees is handsome salary. But mother is uneducated, father is uneducated. Both together put them pressure. No, you have not to join a school and tuition. You have to come with me. And the work which I am doing, which we are doing, you have to do. You have to support in that work. Then why you have sent them a school? Why you have get them certificates and degrees of 10+2 and graduation? If you want to make them laborer. So think that if you are two sisters, there is a girl, Ritu or something else, Salni Bharti. Okay, that girls belong to Dharampur Bande. She goes to Evergreen school. She is getting 6,000 per month. And think that if she gets 6,000 per month from our school, if she goes to two tuition, 2,000 from there, 8,000, and four or three brothers and sisters. If four, then 32,000. If the three brothers and sisters, 8 into 3 is equal to 24,000. 24,000, and if your parents gets more than 15,000, it means you also get about 50,000 rupees, and that's a handsome salary. Then most of the parents who are not literate, they are uneducated, they put their children that if you have not get government job, then you have to support me in that work, you have to assist in the work which I am doing. If you in this 21st century, if you have commanded on English, you will get a lot of opportunity to make your career. Some of my boys out of India working, some of my boys working in India, they are working in 5-star hotel, they are working as waiter, as receptionist. One of my students working in Gujarat 5-star hotel, whose name is Prince, he belongs to, I think, Nandini or Lagunia, Nandini, he belongs to Nandini. Okay, he said to me one day, sir, my English is gradually improving unexpectedly, because every day I talk with customer in English, because most of customer, someone from America, Australia, Britain, different kinds of the nations they visit. I was standing on the reception counter and I talked to them. Hello, how may I help you, sir? We have three types of deluxe, simple room, deluxe room, super deluxe room. Which type of room you would like to? If you want to super deluxe room, you will get a view of the seas from the room. You will get extraordinary swimming pool. You will such kinds of the luxurious facilities. These kinds of the facilities are available. So if you pick up simple room, you will only find that kinds of the facilities are available and not extraordinary facilities are available. He talks everybody, foreigners, Indians, different kind customers. That means he is not studying grammar to improving English. He only practice. I always say to you all that you have commanded a lot of vocabs, a lot of word meanings, but you are not able to use all those words. When you come here, you use are you happy? After happy, you become sad because you forget that what you have to use. If you think that after studying grammatical rules, you could be able to speak English, you are not going to speak English because your teacher who is teaching in village who also can teach grammar, the teacher who has been teaching here in city, he also teach grammar, but he is not able to speak. Why? He does not practice. And he also feels in your mind that why are you going to Nirala? What is the importance of a spoken English in class 11th and 12th? Oh, you also support, oh sir, you are right, sir. I will learn a spoken English after 12th. How many girls after 12th come here? More than 90% Bihar's girls go to their mother-in-law, their in-laws, sasural after marriage. Okay, not come to coaching. Boys get opportunity to come, go to library. A boy goes to library in the name of a study, but the same boy even can't study a single minute at home. It means he's not going to library for a study. A person, if Sachin Tendulkar, if Vaibhav Suryavanshi can play, can hit a century in Patel Maidan Samastipur, he also hits a century in Hyderabad, Jaipur, wherever he plays. A person who can hit a century in Narendra Modi Stadium in Gujarat, okay, he also can hit a century abroad, England, Dubai, wherever the stadiums. But you are showing me that I know everything, but I can't do that things. So if you want to improve your, if you don't want to improve your English, it matters. If you want to improve English, also matters how long you will ignore English. Without English, as your parents are facing problem, as your grandparents faced problem, you will have to face in future. If you do not improve your English, when in coming generation asks some question related to English, and if you try to make if you try to make excuses there, they will start insulting and making fun of you. You also got first division 400 plus, and in coming days AI, it means artificial intelligence, is going to rule the world. In next time, maybe every examination going to be very in fair way. In that case, if they get less than 300 marks or less than 400 marks, but they will be more wiser than you. In that case, you will be humiliated. Why? Because you are 400 plus marks, 450 marks. It means you are just did not score only 50 marks to reach 500 out of 500 marks. In ICSE, CBSE, students scored 100 out of 100 marks, but they have no knowledge what happened in future. There are a lot of English medium schools in our country, Kendriya Vidyalay and different Jawahar Nawade Vidyalay. These are the schools are running by government. What do you think that those students who reach there, they are very talented? Of course not. I want to put an example. Tejasvi Yadav, Tej Pratap Yadav also studied from Kendriya Vidyalay, but he couldn't be educated. Okay, there so it means you are studying in village, and if you want to improve yourself, you can change from here. So if you think that if I go to a good school, and if you don't want to good, you can't be good. So if I give you homework, practice as you can do. So I would like to call one by one today. I will give only 5 minutes each students, and you have to make conversation here.